Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. You're welcome to Mazia Aluminium Company. Today we'll be working on fixing of hinge door key to the panel. Okay. Um, this is the hinge door key. Okay. This is the handle. So we're going to be fixing it in the panel. Okay. We're going to be installing it. So you watch as we install it. Okay. So this is the handle. Okay. Okay. This is the key. This is the key. This is the cylinder. Okay. So we are going to be fixing it. Watch and learn. Remember to follow us in all our social media handles. I would like to know where you're watching from. Your comment is very, very important to us. We'd like to know what your thoughts, what you think about what we are doing. Okay. Remember to share our post. Share, like our post. So thank you. Enjoy yourself.